All right, so a lot of you have asked for something practical. So let's clean on anxiety. I want to say first, this isn't the only or the right way to do it. This is just how I do it. Hooponopono doesn't bypass your nervous system, it doesn't skip over emotions or your biology. It meets what's here, fully and honestly. You don't need the right words, you don't need to do this perfectly, there's no sequence. I'm just meeting whatever shows up. For me, it's an attitude. It's a relationship that I have with myself. A willingness to clean what I am perceiving as a problem. And a problem is simple. It's a thought, a judgment, and there's a lot of emotional charge. So I clean whatever is showing up for me as problematic. Okay, anxiety, tightness, pressure. What is going on in me that I'm experiencing this? I don't like this. I want this gone. How do I make this stop? I'm sorry for the memory of not wanting this here. You can be here. You're allowed here. Please forgive me for abandoning you. Thank you for protecting me in the past. I don't need this protection right here, right now. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me for abandoning you. I didn't know better. Thank you. I love you. But something bad is going to happen. I'm sorry for the memory of believing something bad is going to happen. I don't actually know that. Please forgive me for believing that and hurting myself. I don't have to do that. You're allowed here, the sensation can be here. Thank you, I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Nothing is actually happening now. I'm just feeling something. I'm sorry for thinking this means something about me personally. I love you. Thank you. But why is it still here? I've allowed it, but why is it still here? Please help me see this in a different way. I'm sorry for the memory of judging myself. Please forgive me. Thank you for another opportunity to see this differently, to let go of resisting you, to let you be here. It's okay. I love you. I'm sorry for thinking that I lack control and safety right now. I can be present even if this is uncomfortable. I'm actually okay. Thank you. I love you. Thank you for helping me to see this differently. I'm sorry for avoiding you in the past, for avoiding that part of me that feels wounded and afraid. Please forgive me. I forgive this past version of myself. I love you. Thank you. But will people understand this process? Please help me to relate to this thought differently. I'm sorry for the memory of thinking that I need other people to understand me for me to be okay. I love you. I'm sorry for believing I need to perform to prove myself. I don't need fear and guilt to motivate me. Thank you. Right here, right now, I'm actually okay. I'm enough. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I love you. I don't need to feel guilty. I don't need to beat myself up. That isn't helpful. Thank you for reminding me I don't need to earn love. I love you. I'm okay. Am I doing this right? It's still here. Why do I still feel this tightness in my chest? I'm not feeling any change. I'm sorry for the memory that I need to understand anything to be okay. Please forgive me for believing I'm not enough in this moment. Thank you for showing me that I can let go. I love you. Everything is a learning experience. I'm sorry for thinking that I need to figure anything out for this process to work. Thank you for showing me that. I love you. Thank you for making this clear to me. Wow, having anxiety is not a problem. I didn't know that before. Well, actually, I did. But sometimes I forget and I can forgive myself. When I meet what's coming up for me, I can let it be here fully and it moves. Cleaning is like a dance. It's ongoing. I don't need to know when inspiration is going to show up. I don't need to know when thoughts are going to show up. I don't even have to know what emotions are going to show up. I don't need to know anything. I just clean what's coming up and I clean the attachment to my thoughts, judgments, and emotions. I clean the meaning that the thoughts, the judgments, and sensations mean anything about me personally. Cleaning is not an intellectual process. It's a recognition of who you are through hooponopono. So if it becomes intellectual, if you feel like you need to understand or figure anything out, oh my gosh, that's just another thing to clean. Oh, here is my mind again, trying to interfere, trying to control. There is fear, and it's okay. I'm sorry. I can let go of the need to control. Whatever is coming up right now is what I can clean and what everyone can clean. I'm okay right here, even if it's still uncomfortable, even if it's still here. Even if my mind is busy, it doesn't have to be a problem. So if anxiety is showing up for you today, nothing has gone wrong, but you're perceiving something that has gone wrong. So take a moment to meet what is here. Cleaning is very simple. It's like a dance. You just notice what's happening for you in the moment. So let me know in the comments if this landed for you. And if there are any other situations or examples that you'd like for me to clean on, please let me know in the comments. Take care, my friends. Until the next time, be well.